Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything, and that's right, you know it. Today we've got a very special Happy Meal unboxing. These are the Happy Meal toys for September of 2019. So we're gonna get right into this so you can see if you want to pick up any of these or all of these. So let's get right into the unboxing. Yeah, let's do it? Let's do it. So here they are. We're going to be taking a look at 4 of the best ones in the series that you can pick up. In this series, there are 12 that you can collect, so that is a lot. There are, again, 2 sets of toy lines within this toy line. The overarching theme are cars. They are all cars, but yeah, it's separated into 2. So the first half are Monster Jam. These are monster trucks. There are 4 that you can collect. And on the other side, we've got Shopkins Cutie cars. Shopkins Cutie cars. And in this set, there are 8 to collect, so that's a lot. I don't know if anyone's going to be collecting actually all 12 of these, but yeah, I wanted to get for you the best 2 of the Shopkins Cutie cars and the best 2 of the Monster Jam monster trucks, just so you can get an idea of what these toys are and if you'd want to collect maybe the whole set or maybe just these ones. So let's get right into it. Why don't we start off with Monster Jam? This first one is called Max D. Max D. Cool. Alright. Stickers. I hate when the Happy Meal toys have stickers because it takes really long, but I know it's for the kids. I know kids love stickers, so for the kids, I'm gonna sticker this one up for the kids. So here it is from the front. It's got this weird fire and ice sticker. I don't know what that's about. Doesn't match the rest of the car, but this is what it looks like. I really like the gold kind of stickers that go on the wheels. That looks really nice. And then, yeah, it's got this ridge at the back. And there we go. It's a really nice monster truck. It doesn't have any suspension, but that's okay. Still gonna be really fun for kids to play with. So now let's get into what this does. Max D. Very simple. It's a pullback car, so you can pull it back and he'll move forward. Let's test it out. There we go, just like that. Moves really fast. Yep, moves really fast, so that's a really nice monster truck toy. Yeah, Max D. Alright, the next one we're going to be opening up is another Monster Jam monster truck. This is Megalodon. So again, there's a lot of stickers and the actual car, so I'll sticker it up and we'll be back. And I'm finally done stickering up Megalodon, so now let's take a closer look. You can see that this is basically a shark on wheels, so yeah, hence the name Megalodon. It's got minimal stickers, but it still looks really nice. Again, it's got those nice stickers on the tires, and it's got those cool teeth over there. So I'm actually really liking this design. Very different than the normal kind of monster trucks, so that makes it really unique and really cool. Now the special thing about this is it's got a little gimmick that his body can twist like that. So you can twist his body. I'm not sure why. I guess so that it can like something. But yeah, pretty cool. Its body can twist for a different kind of terrains or what. This one does not have any pullback action, so you can just kind of push it along. And that's pretty nice. It rolls really well, so it's got really good wheels. Let's try to twist his body a bit and see what happens. Oh, so if you twist the wheels, he's gonna turn. Cool. Yeah, hey, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, I approve this one. I like this one. Pretty cool. Megalodon. And now we've got the final 2, which are the Shopkins Cutie cars. We're starting off with Heartbreaker. So again, these are for the younger kids, so as you can compare the stickers of the monster trucks and then the stickers of the cutie cars, cutie cars, or just, you know, 2 pieces of stickers. So I'll sticker this one up and we'll take a closer look. Alright, here is Heartbreaker. So it's, you know, the Shopkins style where it's got that little bear face on the car. And then here it's got hearts on the side, which were the stickers. It's got hearts on the top as well. I really like that it's got, you know, glass, I mean, you know, clear plastic, but it's like the glass of the car. So that's really nice. And then wheels, really nice. And inside, if you look inside there's a little heart. There's a little heart driver. How cute is that? There's a little heart driving the car, the Heartbreaker, the cutie cars. So that's really nice. So far, I'm really impressed with the Shopkins Cutie cars. It seems that every time Shopkins comes out with a Happy Meal toy, the quality of their toys are really good. The plastic, the build, and the design is always just a level above the rest of the normal Happy Meal toys. I don't know why that is, but good job, Shopkins. And finally, we've got the 4th one I'm going to show you. This is Orange Rush. Again, we've got stickers, just 2 pieces, Orange Rush, and then the car. So again, super cute. It's like got like a cat face, and then it's a convertible car, so the hood is down. Again, it's got that clear plastic as the glass. Got the stickers on the side, and yeah. So again, the plastic is really nice, really clean look, and inside is the best part. Look at that inside. There is a little orange wedge driving the car. Look at that. What? That's super cute. Man, that cutie cars. So again, it can just roll along. Yep. So here are the 2 Shopkins. There are 6 more that you can collect of these. Really cute. I'm actually really happy with these. A bit more even than the Monster Jam, because these ones are like, we've seen a lot of these, but the Shopkins, really cute, really different. And that's just my quick review of the Happy Meal toys. Again, the Monster Jam and the Shopkins Cutie cards. Leave me a comment below letting me know if you're gonna pick this up and what you thought about these Happy Meal toy lines. So if you want to see last month's Happy Meal unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another video you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet for more weekly videos just like this. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.